Do you want your Windows 11 PC to look and feel completely unique? Windows 11 offers a variety of customization options that let you personalize your desktop, start menu, and even system sounds. In this video, we'll explore the best Windows 11 customization ideas to make your PC reflect your style in 2026. First, start with themes and wallpapers. Windows 11 comes with a range of pre-installed themes, but you can also download or create your own to match your aesthetic. Whether you prefer dark, light, or colorful setups, customizing your theme sets the tone for your entire desktop experience. Dynamic wallpapers that change throughout the day are another fun way to keep your workspace fresh and visually appealing. Next, consider taskbar and start menu adjustments. You can center or left align your taskbar, resize icons, and add or remove system tray items. The start menu can be tailored by pinning your most used apps, creating folders, and arranging shortcuts to improve both aesthetics and productivity. Another exciting option is customizing icons and folders. Changing default icons for your applications or folders can make your desktop feel more personal and organized. You can download icon packs online or create your own to match your unique style. Don't forget about widgets and virtual desktops. Widgets provide at-a-glance information like news, weather, and calendar events, and you can arrange them to suit your workflow. Virtual desktops let you create separate workspaces for different projects, keeping your tasks organized while allowing you to customize each desktop individually. System sounds and animations are another way to make your PC feel personalized. Windows 11 allows you to change notification sounds, startup sounds, and even visual effects for actions like minimizing or maximizing windows. These subtle touches make daily interactions with your PC more enjoyable. Finally, explore third-party customization apps. Tools like Rainmeter or Wallpaper Engine can enhance your desktop with interactive widgets, animated wallpapers, and advanced layouts that go beyond what Windows offers by default. By combining these Windows 11 customization ideas, you can create a desktop that is not only functional, but also a reflection of your personality. If you found these ideas helpful and want more Windows 11 tips, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss new videos with ways to personalize and optimize your PC in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.